Video tutorials on the full training course in the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD are now available online. Our video tutorials will help aspiring XAUUSD traders to learn the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD at your own pace. And learn the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD at your own time. The full training course includes 15 video tutorials for the 4 training modules. Introduction to XAUUSD Trading. Training Module 1 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. It lays the foundation of the fundamentals of the world gold markets. $40 United States dollars for Training Module 1 that includes 2 tutorial videos for $20 United States dollars a copy. The Introduction to XAUUSD Trading Training Module 1 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD covers Part 1 of the fundamentals of the world gold markets. Understanding the major world gold markets in Asia, Europe and America. Part 2 of Fundamentals of the World Gold Markets details the intraday trading in the major world gold markets in Asia, Europe and America. CTSS MetaTrader 4 and 5 Trading Indicators Training Module 2 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. It teaches how to prepare the CTSS trading indicators in MetaTrader trading platform. $50 United States dollars, 2 tutorial videos for $25 United States dollars a copy for Module 2. CTSS MetaTrader 4 or 5 Trading Indicators Training Module 2 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD covers Part 1 of the preparation of the CTSS trading indicators in MetaTrader trading platform. Plotting the intraday market events. Part 2 of the preparation of the CTSS trading indicators in MetaTrader trading platform covers the plotting of the forecast intraday local London gold price trend line. The Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD Training Module 3 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. Trading Parameters. Trading Indicators and Trading Guides. $350 United States dollars includes 7 tutorial videos for $50 United States dollars a copy. The Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD Training Module 3 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. Part 1 of the trading parameters covers the maximum trading limits and minimum trading goals. Part 2 explains trading indicators of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. The intraday pink forecast local London gold price trend line. Part 3 Trading Indicators explains the use of the comparative trading view gold versus US dollar charts. Part 4 Trading Indicators teaches the use of the live Zurich gold bull auction prices. Part 5 Trading Indicators shows the use of the intraday US dollar market sentiment in forecasting the gold price trendline. Part 6 The CTSS Trading Guide explains how to use the 4 powerful CTSS XAUUSD trading indicators that include the pink forecast intraday gold price trendline in the MetaTrader trading platform. The TradingView comparative gold versus US dollar charts, the Zurich gold bull auction prices, and the intraday US dollar market sentiment. Part 7 The CTSS Trading Guide teaches how to use the 4 powerful trading indicators in pinpointing trading opportunities. Advanced forecasting of the intraday gold price trendline. Training Module 4 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD identifies the factors affecting the intraday gold price movements. 200 United States dollars, 4 tutorial videos for 50 United States dollars a copy. Advanced forecasting of the intraday gold price trendline. Module 4 of the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD Part 1. Factors affecting the intraday gold price movements. The shifting intraday US dollar market sentiment. Part 2 of the factors affecting the intraday gold price movements. The intraday market events that XAUUSD traders need to know and understand. Part 3 of the factors affecting the intraday gold price movements explains the use of the intraday economic calendar on the US dollar and British pound. Part 4 of the factors affecting the intraday gold price movements details how the intraday gold price movements are forecasted and used as the basis for the MetaTrader trading platform pink forecast gold price trendline. To get your copies, please send your order via email to Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services at calibratedtrading@gmail.com. Or like our Facebook page Calibrated Trading and send us a message at https://www.web.facebook.com/Calibrated Trading Strategies and Services. Upon receipt of your ordered video tutorials, we will send you our pro forma invoice confirming your order for tutorial videos together with detailed payment options and instructions. Aspire and achieve excellence in XAUUSD trading. Learn the CTSS Calibrated Trading Strategy in XAUUSD. The CTSS video tutorials were designed as a step-ladder approach in instructional training in XAUUSD trading. Training modules are prerequisite to the training modules following. Modules must be taken in the correct sequence. You have to learn Module 1 before you can proceed to the next modules. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. Grab this opportunity to learn XAUUSD trading using a proven trading strategy based on solid market fundamentals. Stop trading based on the guesswork of the technical analysis of the lines, angles, and shapes of candlestick trading charts.